Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their Zebra P4T label printer, the Dysead AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any power brick. It's designed specifically to keep those essential label printers, like the P4D0, UG000000, and many other P4T variants, running smoothly and reliably. One of the first things that stands out about this Dysead adapter is its commitment to safety. The product description highlights that it comes with international quality certifications, which immediately instills confidence. It's equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety mechanisms, including protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. For a device that's powering something as critical as a label printer in a business or industrial setting, this level of protection is absolutely non-negotiable. It means users can plug it in and trust that their valuable equipment and the adapter itself are safeguarded from common electrical mishaps. Looking at the technical specifications, the input is a versatile AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz. This wide voltage range is a significant advantage, making the adapter suitable for use in various regions around the world without needing a voltage converter. It's a truly global solution. The mention of high power exchange efficiency is also important. It directly translates to a cooler running adapter and more stable power delivery to the printer. Nobody wants an adapter that gets scorching hot or provides inconsistent power, and Dysead seems to have addressed this with their design. Physically, the adapter is presented in a sleek black color, and at just 4 ounces, it's remarkably lightweight. This makes it highly portable, whether it's being moved between workstations or packed away for travel. The compact design ensures it won't hog multiple outlets on a power strip, which is always a welcome feature. A crucial piece of advice, and one that the manufacturer themselves emphasizes, is to always double-check compatibility before making a purchase. While this adapter is designed for a broad spectrum of Zebra P4T models, taking a moment to confirm the specific model number of one's printer against the listed compatible devices is a small step that prevents any potential headaches down the line. In essence, the Dysead AC-DC adapter for the Zebra P4T series appears to be a robust, safe, and efficient power solution. It's built with the necessary protections to ensure longevity for both the adapter and the connected printer, offers global compatibility, and maintains a stable operating temperature. For anyone needing a reliable replacement or a spare power supply for their Zebra P4T label printer, this adapter presents itself as a very strong contender, offering peace of mind alongside consistent performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.